All right, I am a third grade teacher, and one of the things that we teach like middle of the year is fractions. And fractions are so hard for students to understand until you have visuals and manipulatives. So I came across this fraction game. I think I'm going to use it during small groups. I think it's going to be so great for kids. If you have kids that are learning about fractions or you're just looking for some math stuff to do, I think this is such a fun way to do it. The brand actually sent it to me. I love that it's like a reusable whiteboard. So it has the bar fractions all on the side here, starting with the 1 whole all the way to 1/12. And then in the back of the book, it has your circle fractions, and then same thing, starting with 1 whole all the way to 1/12. And you can see like it shows you how it's split up. But what you do is you punch out these little pieces, and these are all magnets, and you get to place the fractions in the correct spot. And then same thing with the bars. You punch them out. Here, I'll do one of them so you can kind of see. Punch them out. I'm going to just do the whole. And then you place it in the correct spot. And you can see, yep, that's 1 whole. For your fraction. So pretty neat. Look how it sticks on, and then it comes with a dry erase pen and eraser as well, so that you can write the fraction name and then erase it when you're done. So I'll show you. Obviously 1 whole, or you could just write 1 as I teach my students, and then you just erase. So reusable, which is awesome. And then it also comes with a little storage bag, so once I pop out all of these little fraction pieces, I have a spot to keep it. But so cool, I love it.